didn't stop.
Cherokee. Might have to run this a little hard here. The last one didn't do so good, so Bill's not real happy.
Hour out of East Pete in an 88 Ford Ranger. I was told that the drop-in vehicle has a fuel intake problem, and they know about it.
That's what you do with old cars when they're sitting around the house. You bring them down and tough truck them into one.
Uh-oh, look at this. Nice piece of driving so far. Oh, that hurt a little bit. Good piece of driving. May have lost a half a second.
In the first place, but he was disqualified on purpose. That rule is done by those guys in the driver's meeting, and I'm sure he's got to be disappointed. All right, here comes your two-wheel drive winner, Leon Hostetter, back out with his four-wheel drive truck. He's driving the 88 Cherokee. He's number 3 right now in points in this class, so that could help him out a little bit here. Charging hard.
Boy, nice jump right there. He's currently number 3 in the points here at the bus. He wants to make a good run, possibly move up another position. Strong set truck tires. And a little slick over there. Oh my, one cone down. That's not going to help any. Cochranville, Pennsylvania, 1979 Ford Bronco. You saw her husband run this Bronco in the mud. Okay, let's see what you do in the first jump. Boy, that was fun, wasn't it? Yeah. Looks like that tire. Watch that wall. Watch that tire. Watch this wall. Oh my. The time of 29.61. Wow.
Not yet. He's gonna be, he's in this class.
Bill Yarnall, out of Oxford, 1985 Subaru wagon. Following him will be Robert Sachs. Bill Yarnall. Back it off, that'll work. How embarrassing do I feel, huh? does have customers come